Alright, so I am reviewing this ELEGOO PLA Plus filament, and it has been working pretty well. I was tuning it up, and this is the temp tower that I printed for it. I decided to go with 235. 230 was good, but I wanted to be a little bit hotter, to be a little shinier. When I did the break test, they were really strong, so that was pretty good. There was excellent bed adhesion with this, and as you can see, no issues anywhere. Just a little bit of strain gain on the bottom ones, but not really at the top. This is not too bad, just need a little bit of cooling, so that's good. Then I printed a benchy, and besides this little line here, the benchy came out pretty good. I printed this pretty fast, but I mean, everything came out good. The bridges good, the layer lines are pretty good, very good adhesion. You can even see the letters down here, yeah. So that was pretty good. And then the last test that I like to do, I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but is this to make sure that the parts fit correctly. Let's see if I can do this. I don't think that I can. Oh yeah, look. So this is a little bit of a Orca test cube, and I print this to make sure that the parts will fit correctly. And as you can see, it's buttery smooth. It works pretty well. So this printed very nicely. I did all of this on my K1, and again, no issues whatsoever. I like it.